Hi guys, welcome to this video. I hope you all are all right, and I also hope you are finding all of this video useful. Please let me know in the comment section for any kind of issue or topic so that I can study them, or if I already knew the topic, then I can share the details with you and a discussion with you using some hands-on experience. So today the topic I am going to discuss with you and share my experience with you is how we can upload contacts to an user account using the command line interface. So there might be question that why should someone do that, uploading contacts to an user mailbox using CLI. In my experience, I have seen some cases where user has their backup contact files from their old system or from different system, what they like to be uploaded into their Zimbra. So today we are going to see two methods of how we can upload contacts using command line interface to the user mailbox. So for that, let me open my CLI interface. This is my Zimbra ZM control status. Let me check whether all the services are up or not. Yeah, all the services are up. ZM control -v. Also check the version. Yeah, this one. So what I am going to do is, let's check what available accounts we have so that we can try uploading contacts on them. Right now this is a fresh server, so all these are system accounts and an admin account. Let's create a user account. zmproof, create account, then Sharif @domain2.com. The password is the simple one. So if you have seen my previous video, you will understand that this is the Zimbra ID that is associated with this user account, and it is being created during the creation of the account. So now let's open a browser. So this is the browser. Let me log into the user. No, not sample server. domain2.com. Let me zoom in a bit. So the user Sharif. I try to make this video short because I noticed that all of my videos are getting longer and longer. I tend to talk a lot. I try to explain things a lot, but that is not necessary all the time. So yeah. So as it is a fresh and new account, there is nothing in the contacts. But now we are going to upload contacts here. So in this video, I am going to show you two methods of uploading contacts in the user mailbox using the command line interface. So for the first method, let's go to the command line interface. What we have to do, we have to upload the file into the server. As you can see, I have already uploaded the file in the server. Let's refresh whether it is okay. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do is I need to copy it from the home Sharif to another place. because home Sharif has some permission issues. I have copied it to the temp directory. So let's take a look at temp contacts. I set the ownership of this file to Zimbra, as the next command I am going to execute will run as a Zimbra user under Zimbra user. So yeah, for that. So now let me clear the screen. I am going to use curl. Curl is a very useful tool. It can help you browse any website, download, upload contents from the website using the command line interface. I hope I'll be able to create a separate video on curl or wget, as these are very useful tool and also very commonly used tool in system environment. So yeah, maybe that's for another video. So now I'm going to use curl. For curl, after curl I'm going to use -k. The -k flag I'm using here, or the -k option I'm using here, because my server doesn't have any SSL certificate. Curl is going to check the SSL certificate. As my server doesn't have any SSL certificate, I'm using -k so that it ignores the verification. Then for the user, here the user is Sharif, colon, the password. Then I have to mention the file name, upload file. The file will be this one. Now the important part is to mention the user directory path. So take close look at this section. It will help you understand what is the user directory structure in Zimbra, and it will help you in some troubleshooting cases also. So for that, I'm writing here the server IP address 1.81, then /home/Sharif, then /contacts format. Let me zoom out a little bit. Format equals to CSV. By the way, there are some other kinds of format as also, like vcard, as per I know, but I couldn't check that whether that works or not. You can check it yourself using this method. Where I have seen vcard type format is in Google Suite. If you download contacts from your Google account, it will provide you option whether you want to download it as a vcard format or a CSV format. So yeah, I'm using the CSV format. So I'm pressing enter, and as it took the command, so the contacts are uploaded to the user account. Now let me refresh the page, go to the contacts, and as you can see, all the contacts are uploaded. So this is how, using curl, you can upload contacts in your user account, desired user account. By the way, you can create your own bash script to automate and upload batch contacts for multiple users. So play with the commands as you like, test it, and do let me know in the comments By sharing our experience, we can help the community, and as well as we can solve many problems by sharing the knowledge and information. By the way, I had a very long day, that's why I may sound a little bit low. So I am recording this right now at 11:25 p.m. So yeah, and that's it. So now we are going to use another method. For that we need another user account. Let's create another user account. Zmprove, create account, arman @domain2.com 123456. Yesterday I used arman account, so let's use another account, that is Flaming. Okay, 123456. Okay, so the Flaming account is created. Now what I'm going to do is just go to my web interface. This is my web interface, and let me sign out. And just a minute. Now I'm going to log in using Flaming 123456. As it is another new account, so there is nothing in the contacts. Now I'm going to upload contacts again using another method. This method involves zmmailbox command. Zmmailbox command is a very useful command to manage your user mailbox. Your different properties of your user mailbox, functions and settings of your user mailbox. We will see them one by one, as it is a long list of features and functions. So yeah, let's take a look at zmmailbox. For zmmailbox, similarly, we need to upload the contact in the server, set the proper permission for on the file, then place it in a location where permissions will not be an issue. So as it is located into the temp directory and permission is set, so now I'm going to use that one. For that I'm going to use zmmailbox -z -m. The mailbox name is Flaming @domain2.com. So in this case, I do not need the password. I just need the account name. Then using -t timeout, then I am going to use post rest URL we'll look into this post rest URL and get rest URL in another topic. We will describe these parameters dedicatedly on a single video. So right now just look into the parameter, and then what I'm going to do is contacts format equals to CSV. Okay, then the location temp contacts CSV. So what I'm telling here, the mailbox minus z parameter, m is the mailbox primary, t is 0. T is not necessary all the time. Sometimes the process shows the timeout error, that's why we're providing here t flag or the t option. Then the post rest url context, we are uploading the context. By the way, post rest url is used to upload things, and get rest url is used to download things. So we are going to discuss that in a separate video in an elaborate way. So for now, let's focus on this syntax of the command. So now I'm going to execute it. So I have executed it, and as it took the command, let's go to the web interface and refresh this one. Yeah, you can see Flammy has all the all the contacts also. So this is how you can upload contacts into an user account using either car or mailbox, the mailbox command. Now let me check one more thing, that in the action contacts, no contacts, yeah, no, nothing else. So this is how you can upload contacts using curl or zmmailbox command. So thank you again for your time and watching the video. Let me know if you want any specific topic. Basically, we are going to learn from A to Z of a system and managing an email system specifically. So maybe in a very short video we will learn how we can set the time zone, because it is also necessary. Mismatching time zones can create authentication errors or authentication token related errors and several other session related errors also. So we'll see that. So not every video will be so much serious. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video, and mostly I hope you find this video informative. So thank you guys, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.